Okay, hello guys. Thank you for joining me today, and I am back with another unboxing. And this one is exciting because I was really wanting to get this diamond painting from DAC, but I did not want to pay $54 for it. And even with the coupon that they was offering for me, or I was on the site or whatever, it wasn't enough off. So I got a text from them, actually from DAC, saying that they got 15 new diamond paintings at Joann's. So I went to Joann's online, and they had the little 20% off coupon at the top of the site where you can click on that and it will be applied to your order. I said, wait a minute. I said, I still don't pay that much for it. So I went to the menu option and I clicked on there. There was a coupon there for 40% off. So I got like 20 bucks off on it. Yes. And so, yeah, so I got it and it came today. So I'm ready to open this baby up and see what it looks like, because I wanted it so bad, because I am a serious fanatic. I love dragons. I love dragons. And yeah, so I wanted it really bad. And I want this other one. The red one says I am, or yeah, I think that was one. I want to get that one too eventually. And unfortunately they didn't have that one on the site, but I would probably want to got both of them, even if it was, because the coupon would only apply to one of them. But I'm going to eventually get that one too. So let's see. Oh, it's great. Yay! And it's squares. Okay, I thought it was rounds. I ain't mad. But it is square diamonds. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Beautifulness. Okay, let's open this up. All right. Let me see this. It doesn't look like it's been taped closed. Ah, it hasn't. Okay. Alrighty. So, look at that. Little kid to the stickers. That's everything in the box. Okay. Okay. So there's a little basic toolkit with tweezers, a drill pen, squishies, bags, and there's a multi-placer in there. Yeah, multi-placer in there, and wax and all that good jazz. And here's a warranty card and the stickers, and it comes with 45 colors. So look at that, Dragon Attack. I love it. And I like I said, I thought it was going to be in rounds, but it's actually squares. And I've seen videos on the unboxing. I think, I know I watched Rachel Ray's video on it, and for some reason, I don't know why I was thinking it was rounds. But it's been a minute since I've seen the video, so, hey, I ain't mad. A lot of people say that they don't like rounds, that they don't like squares. I will do both. I have no problems with either one. I like squares better, but I prefer rounds sometimes, because y'all know the thing with squares. Y'all have to be careful how you place the squares. As with rounds, which is good. This one. As with rounds, it can go either way. Look at that! Look at that! Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I have really got to get better lighting. I mean, I gotta get other lighting. But look at it. Looky, looky, looky. You're beautiful. Yay. Love it. Okay, so I'm not gonna worry about rolling it out, because I got a lot of stuff on my craft desk and it's not allowed all the room to be there. So I'll usually take my diamond paintings in the house and I hang them up in there. I got a place where I hang them up, because it doesn't want to store them out here. Okay, so here are the drills, and we open these babies up. Okay, here we go. Okay. Look at the. This is gonna be so fun. I don't know when I'm gonna get to it, because I need to I'm actually doing really good timing on the custom that I'm doing, because I thought it was going to take long, but it's actually not going to take that long. Because I only worked on it like a few times in a week, and it's about a third done, so it's not bad. So this is the first train of drills. The smaller is I'm upside down. I like first time. Okay. What? Well, that last one is upside down. Okay. So this is actually $9.91. Oh, and why is my lighting not? Oh God. It's not bright. What's going on? It's yellow tint. Oh well. Okay, so it's $9.81. What? Okay, are my eyes playing tricks on me or what? There's some voodoo going on here, because I could have sworn that was upside down. That was that one that was upside down. And I turn around this way, then these are the right. I don't know. I'm cracking up, guys. Okay, 606, 818, 3861, 947, 3799, 498, 740, 3823, 8038, 744, 741, 743, 3664, 742, and I wish this lighting would act right. Hold on, guys. Okay, is that better? I don't know. Alright. 742, 779. I don't like this light tick coming off my thing. Is that better? I don't know. 915. I don't know if it says 779. 3860. There you go again. 841. And this is the AB drill of 138. And then 991. And that is that one. And then here's the short one. 3325. And 2 of 803. And then here, 2 823s, 340, 550, 597, 334, 2 939s, and 2 797s. And these, this is all the time. Okay, 820, 209. 155 and ABs of 141. Another some more ABs of 126, 208, 3746, 775, 2 of those, 2 3755, 2 3760, 788, 154. 327, 2 310s, 333, and 210. So yes, I'm gonna kick this baby up. I actually ordered some more of the cases like these. I might go get some of the bigger ones from Harbor Freight. I like those, but I'm trying not to buy too many cases. I'm gonna have to buy a whole new shelf right here to store my diamond drills on. I need some storage in here for them. I've run out of room. I have ran out of room. I have run out of room to store anything else out here. I'm packed to the gills of stuff, and not everything is not even put away, because I've used it. And I'm collecting diamond paintings, and I need storage for the drills. Like I said, I store my actual canvases in the house. So yeah. Because I don't have anywhere to hang them out here. I don't have any doors at the front door. I'm not going to hang them there. So yes, I am so excited to get this. And again, I thought they was going to be round. But again, and I didn't even read the description. Because I know I just wanted it and I just thought it was round. So this is a nice surprise that they are squares. So I'm going to put these back in the thing. I'm going to be picking this up in the house. And let's look at this beautiful gorgeousness again. Look at that. Looky, looky, looky. Yeah, I can't wait to start on this. Yay! Look, and look, we was coming back from the mountains last week. We were we went on this mini vacation because the hubby had a few days off, and we haven't been on, well, actually have been on vacation. It's been a while, probably like a few months since then, but he wanted to go because we've always been to, we went to the beach. We went to, where did we go? Was it Gulf Shores? Yeah, Gulf Shores. And so he wanted to go to the mountains before the year was out, and it was, we might be going back again because his mom then wants to go somewhere for something, and they want us to go. Like, we just got back. But I ain't mad. We'll go. And so we was on our way back, and when I got the text from DAC and notified me that they had 15 new diamond panties and Joann's, and when I got it down to 30, I was like 37 something, 37.60 I believe, including shipping and tax, because it took off with the 40% coupon. It took off $20, I think, and so I got it down to $29.99. Because actually it's $54.99 on DAC site, but on Joann's site it is $49.99. Plus I used a 40% coupon and it took off $20, so it was like $29.99, and then I added back the tax and the shipping. So yeah, it was like $37.68, something like that. About $38. So I could do that. But God, I'm so happy this came. Oh yes, FedEx didn't lose this package. I've been mad had they lost this package, because I'm not really fond of FedEx right now. They ruined some things for me a few months back. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I can't wait to start this one. So this makes my 4th DAC painting. Yes. I only have one done, and that was a little rainbow rose snack side that I did. And so I have this one, Fire and Ice, the 2 wolves, and I have black and white. That's what the horse in the snow. Say, oh, yes, this is gorgeous. I can't wait to start it. This is just so pretty. Yay. So I'm going to drool over a little bit, and then I'm going to take it in the house and hang it up. Well, thanks guys for watching, and I will be doing some more videos on some drilling chats possibly. I gotta get back to I'm gonna do some coloring chat, do a color along or something like that soon. I got a swap I gotta finish and get out next week. It's a 24 days of Christmas swap in my group on Facebook, my craft group. So I gotta get my partners the rest of that set up or put together and get that sent out, and then I will be strictly dyeing painted again and coloring. I gotta get back to my coloring, because in the craft world, because we do a lot of swaps and that, we this is so off for this channel, but it's to my craft channel, where we do a lot of craft swaps, and we do, we craft and things, and then we, and it's like an obligated thing because we do swaps, and once you are in a swap, you are pretty much obligated to finish out the completion of the swap unless something happens. That life happens and all that stuff. So we have no problem with that, but we do frown upon flaking, which, if some of you don't know, is when you sign up for a swap and you do not send your partner sends you something, but you don't send something out. You are called a flaker. We frown upon that. It's not very nice. We also consider it stealing. So anyway, when it gets down to the end of the year, November, December, when it gets the really hectic holidays, we tend not to do as much swapping, or we just put it off altogether until January. We don't do a lot of swaps because everybody gets busy during the holidays, so we don't have enough time to swap, to actually, you had to put something together or make something or whatever and send it out to someone else. It gets hectic, so we just don't do it. So I think this is going to be my last swap for the year. It's the 24 days of Christmas. That's always the fun swap. It was so fun last year. I think last year was the first time I did it, or maybe this is my 3rd year. I can't remember. We did so many. But anyway, so again, thanks guys for watching. I am so excited to get this one. I want to get the other one with the red dragon eventually, when I can get it down to a price that I can actually see myself spending money on. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. But thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a colorful day. Bye.